So, this is probably one of the most exciting images you'll ever see in your entire lifetime. James Webb just took a photo of the protostar, new star system forming about 450 million light years away. So obviously the light from this image took 450 million light years to get to us. So by now it would still be a swirling disk of stuff coalescing around the central star. And what you're seeing at the top and bottom is these stellar jets, and then you're seeing the disk forming in the center here, and then you've got this light coming from either side of the star. You can see the star there, you can see other stars in the background. There's a galaxy right at the very top. So I'm going to have a look on the website now. So there we are. Have a look on the website. So NASA's James Webb Telescope has captured an extraordinary view of HH30, a young protostar located roughly 450 million light years away in the Taurus molecular cloud. That's a big distance away, but here's like a distance image. You can see there's this tail coming down here as well. And the newborn star is surrounded by a thick protoplanetary disk, which is this kind of like thick band that's in the middle. And then you've got all the dust coalescing, capturing all the light. A swirling region of gas and dust, which is also what the is happening. So gas is falling into the planetary center to form things, and this is like really exciting. Webb's powerful infrared instruments can peer through cosmic dust that normally hides these early stages of star formation. The image also reveals dramatic jets of material blasting outwards from the growing star as it pulls in matter from its surroundings. Astronomers obviously, you can read this as I'm reading it as well. Astronomers study systems like HH30 because they offer a glimpse into how solar systems develop long before planets fully form. In other words, scientists may be watching a process similar to what happened around our own sun billions of years ago. So, yeah, this is really exciting. I am buzzing for this. Obviously, by the time this becomes a visible star, I will no longer be here. You and I will no longer be here, because it's taken 450 million light years to get to us. The light from this formation here, this very beautiful image. And this very beautiful image, courtesy of James Webb. This is courtesy of Yep, That Exists. So yeah, you can go check it out. So it gives you a bit more of a natural thing of what's going on there. So 300 astronomical units, which is a big distance. Astronomical unit is the distance between the Earth and the Sun. That's how we measure it. So 8 light minutes, essentially. So it's about 300 astronomical units wide at the moment, roughly, I'm guessing, according to this. How accurate this is, I don't know. But yeah, this is off of Popular Science, so you know this is being covered. So HH33, if you're excited about this, let me know down in the comments down below, or if you think I should stick to reactions and making stuff, let me know. I'll be happy to hear what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. And by the way, this is one of the things I'm interested in, so it's a hobby forge. I'm not an amateur astrologist, astronomer, even. So let's not get my words mixed up there. I'm not an amateur astronomer, but I am fascinated by all this, like, physics. So, yeah. Hit the like and subscribe. Stay creative. Be awesome. Catch you next time.